How to check and manage spam on Yahoo Mail app. Today, I'll be showing you how to check and manage spam on the Yahoo Mail app. Spam emails can clutter your inbox, but with these steps, you can keep things under control. So let's get started. Spam emails are unsolicited messages that can flood your inbox, making it hard to find important emails. Thankfully, Yahoo Mail makes it easy to manage these unwanted emails on your mobile device. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check your spam folder, mark emails as spam, and even move legitimate emails back to your inbox. Now let's start by showing you how to access your spam folder on the Yahoo Mail app. First, open the Yahoo Mail app on your phone. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the side menu. Now scroll down the list of folders and tap on the spam folder to view all the emails that have been flagged as spam. Once in the spam folder, here's how you can manage the emails that have ended up there. Take a moment to review the emails that have been marked as spam. You can tap any email to read it and see if it was incorrectly flagged. Once you've reviewed your spam folder, you might want to delete some of the unwanted emails. To delete multiple spam emails, just tap and hold in one email to select it, then tap on additional emails to select them. Once you select all the emails you want to delete, tap the trash icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. And that's it. You now know how to check and manage spam on the Yahoo Mail app.